How to overcome anxiety by using NLP techniques. Anxiety can be a difficult experience to manage, but there are several NLP, neuro-linguistic programming techniques that can help you overcome it. In summary, NLP techniques can be effective in helping you overcome anxiety. By practicing techniques such as reframing negative thoughts, visualizing success, anchoring positive emotions, and using metaphors, you can start to shift your mindset and develop new coping strategies. Remember to be patient and consistent in your practice, and don't hesitate to seek help from a mental health professional if your anxiety is severe or overcoming anxiety takes time and practice. These NLP techniques can be effective, but it's important to find what works best for you and to be patient with yourself as you work to overcome your anxiety. If your anxiety is severe or persistent, it's important to seek help from a mental health professional. Here are some techniques you can try. 1. Reframe negative thoughts. Reframing is a technique used to change your perspective on a particular situation. When you're feeling anxious, try reframing negative thoughts into positive ones. For example, if you're nervous about giving a presentation, instead of thinking, "I'm going to fail," try reframing your thoughts to, "I'm going to do my best and learn from any mistakes." 2. Visualize success. Visualization is a powerful technique that can help you overcome anxiety. Visualize yourself succeeding in the situation that is causing you anxiety. Close your eyes and imagine yourself feeling confident and calm. See yourself achieving your goals and feeling proud of yourself. 3. Anchoring. Anchoring is a technique that involves associating a particular physical sensation or emotion with a positive state of mind. For example, you could anchor a feeling of calmness to a specific touch, like pressing your thumb and index finger together. When you're feeling anxious, you can use this anchor to access the positive state of mind associated with it. 4. Use positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are statements that can help you overcome negative self-talk. When you're feeling anxious, try repeating positive affirmations to yourself. For example, "I am capable of handling any situation," or "I am strong and resilient." 5. Refocus your attention. When you're feeling anxious, it's easy to get caught up in negative thoughts. Instead, try to refocus your attention on something positive. Take a few deep breaths and focus on something in your environment, like a beautiful view or a pleasant smell. 6. Change your internal dialogue. The way you talk to yourself can have a big impact on your anxiety levels. If you find yourself engaging in negative self-talk, try to change the way you speak to yourself. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," try saying, "I may feel anxious, but I can handle this." By changing your internal dialogue, you can start to shift your mindset towards a more positive and supportive one. 7. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a technique that involves being present in the moment and focusing on your thoughts and feelings without judgment. When you're feeling anxious, mindfulness can help you stay grounded and centered. Try taking a few minutes to focus on your breath and observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. 8. Use the swish technique. The swish technique is a powerful NLP technique that can help you overcome anxiety-provoking thoughts. It involves visualizing a positive outcome and then swishing that image with a negative image, effectively replacing the negative thought with a positive one. For example, if you're anxious about a job interview, you could visualize yourself acing the interview and then swish that image with an image of yourself feeling anxious. 9. Use metaphors. Metaphors can be a powerful way to reframe your thinking and overcome anxiety. For example, you could visualize your anxiety as a storm cloud that eventually passes, or as a boulder that you slowly chip away at until it's manageable. By using metaphors to reframe your anxiety, you can start to see it in a new light and feel more empowered to manage it. 10. Practice anchoring positive emotions. Anchoring positive emotions is another NLP technique that can help you overcome anxiety. Think of a time when you felt particularly calm and confident. Try to recall the physical sensations you experienced during that moment, such as the way your body felt, your breathing, or your facial expressions. Once you have a clear image of that moment in your mind, anchor those positive feelings by doing something like squeezing your thumb and middle finger together, or repeating a mantra to yourself. When you start to feel anxious, you can use this anchor to remind yourself of the positive emotions and feelings you experienced during that moment. 11. Use the 6-step reframe. The 6-step reframe is a powerful NLP technique that can help you reframe negative emotions and experiences. It involves breaking down a negative experience into 6 steps, including identifying the problem, finding the positive intention, exploring alternative ways to meet that intention, choosing the most effective alternative, testing the alternative, and integrating the new behavior or belief. By following these 6 steps, you can start to see your anxiety in a new light and develop new coping strategies. 12. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can help you overcome anxiety. When you're feeling anxious, take a few minutes to focus on the things you're grateful for. This could include anything from your health and your relationships to your hobbies and your accomplishments. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life, you can shift your focus away from your anxiety and towards a more positive mindset. Remember, everyone experiences anxiety differently, so it's important to find the NLP techniques that work best for you. With practice and patience, these techniques can help you overcome anxiety and achieve a greater sense of calm and well-being. If your anxiety is severe or persistent, don't hesitate to seek help from a mental health professional.